Thank you. As the District Attorney Spota said, this is another tool. This is a tool in his arsenal to fight what is a crime, to cut down on this. When we're talking about a time when families across Long Island and New York State are suffering to pay the bills and to make it, any kind of increase in their insurance rates or things of this nature, it affects them. It affects rates. It affects every single ratepayer, and it hits them right in the wallet, and they can't afford it. This is a very good bill in the fact that it does address multiple issues, and one of the issues we were talking about is the fact that currently the insurance companies are forced to make these payments as quickly as possible, and these medical mills, if you will, are churning out these bills as quickly as possible. It's almost like a race to the 30-day finish line. They know that once they generate these bills and they get them out there, if they reach the 30 days, they're good to go. They got away with it. We want to change that. They can't get away with it. We have to extend it. We have to give not just the law enforcement, but the insurance companies. We have to give them the tools necessary to make sure these are legitimate claims. Nobody's saying we don't want to pay out on legitimate claims. Of course we do. But when you have fraudulent bills and they're getting paid and it's affecting the ratepayers, we need tools to fight that. The other aspect that Senator Zeldin brought up that I thought was very important to address is the fact that this will also decertify these medical professionals who are defrauding the system. It is, again, another tool. It's no longer a slap on the wrist. It's now a felony, and they will be decertified and taken out of practice. So when we have these medical professionals, if you will, that are abusing the system, they need to be removed and taken out of the system. I think this bill does that, and we're going to do what we can to fight to push this and get it done as quickly as possible. Thank you to everyone here who is supporting us in the efforts.